I'm assuming that they'll use the exit ramp to stop and talk to people. These are, members of the official party. Chief Justice of British Columbia is there. A number of MPs, including Elizabeth May, the leader of the Green Party. I'll tell you, if he gets her into a conversation about the environment, he's going to be there for a while.
Really?
Oh, he should. He loves to talk about it. It's her passion, and it's partly his passion too, so.
Well, the environment, conservationism, absolutely.
Yeah. Rear Admiral Art MacDonald, Commander of Maritime Forces Pacific, Joint Task Force Pacific. Beside him, the RCMP Commissioner, Bob Paulson.
Well, she's looking pretty fantastic, isn't she, Kate? Having just got off a long-haul flight with 2 young children. You can see why she'd have to travel with her hairdresser. Look at the intricacy of that chignon and the makeup, and the cameras, they zoom in so close. Everything is analysed. Well, she looks fantastic.